You may have heard the surprising claims that this simple coin, the 1951 British Sixpence, could be worth thousands or even millions. But is there any truth to that? Some even say it hides a royal mystery. Well, in this video, we're diving into all the facts, values, and hidden details. So watch till the end to discover the coin's true worth and why collectors still chase it today. Because this ordinary-looking coin might not be so ordinary after all. Let's begin with what you're holding, a 1951 sixpence from the United Kingdom. This coin was part of British currency before decimalization, and it holds a special place in the history of King George VI's reign. The obverse features a left-facing portrait of King George VI with the Latin inscription, Georgiv 6d, G, BR, OMN, REX, meaning, George VI, by the grace of God, King of all the Britons. The reverse side is equally iconic. It shows the crowned royal cipher, GVI, split by the year 1951, and the word sixpence curved underneath. But what makes this coin more than just a piece of pocket change? Let's discuss its historical background. 1951 was a turning point. It was just 1 year before the death of King George VI and the beginning of Queen Elizabeth II's long reign. So coins from this time represent the last years of a royal era. Even though the coin was not made of silver, it was minted in cupronickel. Its historical context gives it symbolic value. Before 1947, sixpence coins had real silver content. But from 1947 onward, including 1951, they were made from a copper-nickel alloy. Here's the part that surprises most people. Although the 1951 sixpence was widely circulated, well-preserved specimens, especially uncirculated or proof versions, are highly valued among numismatists. Coins graded in mint condition, MS or UNC, can sell for $10 to $15 or more. If you have one still shiny and sharp, it could be worth looking into professional grading. But don't get too excited. There's no known version of the 1951 sixpence worth millions. The rumors of million-dollar value are false or misinterpreted, possibly confused with rare error coins or commemoratives from other years or countries. Still, collectors love it for its royal legacy and elegant design. The sixpence coin is often associated with British folklore. People used to slip one into wedding cakes or bride's shoes for good luck. In the 1950s, this coin was still actively used in daily purchases like sweets, tramfares, or newspapers. The abbreviation FID-DEF on the coin stands for Fidei Defensor, Latin for Defender of the Faith, a title still held by British monarchs. Here's what your 1951 sixpence could be worth today. Circulated condition, used $1 to $3. Uncirculated or mint state, $5 to $15. Proof versions or special sets, occasionally higher, depending on market demand. Remember, condition is everything. A dull coin with scratches won't fetch as much as a crisp, bright one with sharp detail. So, is the 1951 British sixpence a million-dollar coin? No, but it's definitely a gem of history worth holding on to, especially if it's in great condition. It connects us to a royal past, carries tradition, and reminds us how something small can still have great value. Let us know in the comments. Do you have a 1951 sixpence in your collection? Hit that like button, subscribe for more rare coin stories, and don't forget to watch our next video on some truly rare coins that have sold for thousands.